Hello YouTube. So I literally just hit the stop recording button on my cool little underwater metal detector that I haven't had a chance yet to try out. And now I'm going to unbox another underwater gadget that I found on AliExpress, and that's the Anti Drowning Bracelet. Now what this is basically, it's a watch that has a CO2 canister that inflates a ball and lets you, like a PDF, float to the surface if you're ever in trouble. I thought it was kind of a cool gimmicky idea, and I think I paid like $20 something for it shipped to Canada. I figured why not give it a try. So yeah, let's open it up and see what's in here. Okay, so it's kind of a cool box. It's called Puffer. I'm not exactly sure if this is what I ordered. I ordered one that said Kingii on it. But let's open it up anyway. Maybe that's what it is. There's nothing on this box that I understand. I mean, it is a fairly decent looking box, if that helps at all. But yeah, no English on here. So let's open it up. Man, I'm having a lot of problems here today. I was afraid to puncture the actual... There we go. Just says Puffer on here, maybe some model numbers, PP001, nothing I can understand. Here's the instructions. No English that I can see. Oh yes, there's some English here. Inspect your device, cleaning and storage, disposal, assembly, unscrew the cartridge cap, pull the lever down against the puffer unit before inserting the CO2 cartridge. Ensure inflation bag is packed. Insert CO2 cartridge in the device. Completely screw the new CO2 cartridge in the housing. Replace your cap and tight. Position puffer on the wrist in this orientation. Shows correct and incorrect with the lock. Using your puffer, use your thumb to lift the pull lever. Inflation bag begins to inflate. Pull Kingii to your chest. Use the compass to locate your position. Use the safety whistle to signal for help. Okay, so I mean, first impressions on the feel is that it feels really cheap, to be honest. The compass seems to work. The mechanism here does, like the spring back does feel solid. Open this up. There's the CO2, where the CO2 cartridges screw into is down there. I don't think that's waterproof. Doesn't feel like there's any type of O-ring in it or gasket. No. Although it does look like one should have been there, but yeah, leaves a lot to be desired. Let's pop this open. There's the inflatable bag and a whistle, which most certainly I don't know. First impression, this thing isn't worth 25 bucks or whatever the hell I paid for it. But I will come back with another video with it to see how it functions out in the water. I am also going to look at the what I actually purchased and potentially do a chargeback through AliExpress, because I don't think this is what I purchased. I think it's a knockoff of what I purchased. I can't even get these buttons to reconnect or to reclasp here. There we go. There we go. So yeah, right now I'm kind of disappointed in this thing, but when I do the actual in-water review, maybe I'll have better things to say then. Anyways, thanks for watching this video, and if you like what I'm putting up there, please subscribe, and yeah, thank you very much for taking the time.